Hey, everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we share the best beauty tips and tricks. Today we're going to talk about an essential item that can help with hair breakage, satin pillowcases. If you're someone who struggles with hair breakage and you're looking for a solution, then this video is for you. A satin pillowcase is a pillowcase made from a smooth and silky fabric called satin. Satin is usually made from synthetic fibers like polyester or nylon, or natural fibers like silk. Satin pillowcases help with hair breakage by reducing friction between the hair strands and the pillowcase. Unlike cotton or other fabrics, which can cause friction and tangle the hair while you sleep, satin pillowcases provide a smoother surface for your hair to rest on. Let's talk about the advantages of using satin pillowcases and how they help with hair breakage. Reduces hair breakage. Satin pillowcases are made of a smoother and softer material than cotton pillowcases. This means that there is less friction between your hair strands and the pillowcase while you sleep, which can help to reduce hair breakage. With satin pillowcases, your hair can easily glide across the surface, preventing tangles and knots that can lead to breakage. Prevents frizz. Satin pillowcases can help to prevent frizz by reducing the amount of friction and static that occurs while you sleep. Friction and static can cause hair to become frizzy, and this can be especially troublesome for those with curly hair. With satin pillowcases, your hair can remain smooth and tangle-free, reducing the risk of frizz. Retains moisture. Satin pillowcases do not absorb moisture from your hair like cotton pillowcases do. This can be especially helpful for people with dry or damaged hair, as it helps to keep the hair hydrated and less prone to breakage. With satin pillowcases, your hair can retain its natural moisture, resulting in healthier, shinier hair. Gentle on your skin. Satin pillowcases are soft and smooth, and they don't cause irritation or abrasion on your skin like cotton pillowcases can. This can be especially helpful for those with sensitive skin or skin conditions such as acne or eczema. With satin pillowcases, you can sleep comfortably without worrying about skin irritation. While there are many advantages to using a satin pillowcase, there are a few potential disadvantages that should be considered. Slipperiness. Satin pillowcases are often more slippery than cotton or other types of pillowcases. This can cause the pillow to slide around on the bed during the night, which may be uncomfortable or disrupt sleep for some people. Staining. Satin pillowcases can be more prone to staining than other types of pillowcases. This is because the smooth surface of the fabric can make it easier for stains to set in. However, this can be avoided by washing the pillowcase regularly and using a gentle, color-safe detergent. Durability. Satin pillowcases may not be as durable as other types of pillowcases, especially if they are made from lower-quality materials. Over time, the fabric may become thinner or begin to pill. However, this can be mitigated by investing in a higher-quality satin pillowcase and following the care instructions carefully. Cost. Satin pillowcases can be more expensive than other types of pillowcases, especially if they are made from high-quality materials like silk. However, the benefits of using a satin pillowcase, such as reducing hair breakage and preventing frizz, may be worth the investment for some people. As for how to use satin pillowcases to reduce hair breakage, it's simple. Just swap out your regular pillowcase for a satin one, wash it regularly, style your hair before bed, and wake up with smooth, healthy hair. By incorporating satin pillowcases into your hair care routine, you can reduce hair breakage, prevent frizz, retain moisture, and sleep comfortably. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video.